What's good, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2016 Hyundai 2.4. We are going to be doing the alternator, which is located right here. And you do have a lot of space to bring it out from the top. The tools that you are going to need, if you have the other two to be able to take out the serpentine belt without removing it with a wrench, you can. And if not, you're going to need a 17 and just get another one, which I'm going to use an 18 just to give me a little bit more leverage. And usually I just put it right here in between there and just kind of lift it up. First thing you guys want to do is go ahead and remove the negative terminal from the battery. The next thing, go ahead and remove the belt, which the tensioner is this one right here. I usually just put it from the end, from this one, that way I can grab the other end with the other wrench right here. Always do it counterclockwise, and once you remove the belt, you're gonna use a 14mm socket to remove this bolt, and then the bolt on the bottom, which is right below this one all the way to the bottom. So the next thing, once you remove the bolt, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment if you have any questions. What I usually do is get one of these extensions and just kind of put it right here. You can also get a screwdriver, whatever you have, but just be careful because the alternator, it is kind of heavy and you don't want to damage the connections in the back. So once you pry it out, just put it right here to the side, and it does have this connection right here. So the only thing that you have to do is squeeze it and just pull it out just like that. These connections, they're always going to be a 12mm. Just go ahead and remove it. Before I get too ahead of myself, you are going to need a T15 Torx, which is going to look just like that. It does have 3 bolts, which is these 3 right here, and it has this little bracket. This little bracket is going to be right here, and it has 1 bolt here, 1 here, and then 1 on this side right here. And once you remove that, you can just pull it straight out. Just remember how you removed it, that way you can put it back the same way. Once you do that, it should have enough clearance right here just to bring it out this way. I always kind of move it around to make sure what's the best way to remove it. So far, this is the best way. It is going to be a little tight, but you can still take it out. Just put it where that bracket is right here on the back, and I'll show you once I remove it right now. Just kind of wiggle it whenever you are bringing it out. So this is the way to position the alternator with this connection right here on the back. After you guys do that, you just want to match it up with the new one. Just make sure every connection is the same. You want to install the new one just like you removed the old one, and don't forget to put this connection as well. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.